Looking to create a free AI image to video generator without watermarks? Just like this, and also this one. You can see how powerful this tool is. Well, the method I'm about to show you will let you easily generate videos from images and remove any video watermark completely free of charge. I'm going to show you two tools for generating watermark-free footage. The first one is Lumilabs, which lets you create stunning images to videos. You might be thinking, I want a free image to video generator without watermarks, but this website provides footage with a watermark. Don't worry, hear me out. I'll show you an easy way to remove the watermark with the help of the second tool, and you'll find out really soon, so stay tuned. And I'll walk you through it step by step. So, let's dive in and see how you can do it yourself. First, to get started, head over to your browser and type lumilabs.ai. Once the website opens, you'll see various videos generated by other creators. Now, look towards the upper right corner and click on the Try Now button. It will ask you to sign up with your Gmail account. After signing up, you'll be presented with a simple and easy-to-use interface. Next, upload your image and type in how you want your video to look. Make sure to click on the Enhance Prompt button to help you generate a more detailed video. Once you're ready, hit the Generate button, and after a few minutes, the video will be created for you. As you can see, they provide really high-quality footage. Finally, just click on the Download button and save the video to your PC. To let you know, Lumilabs offers 30 free video generations per month, which should be plenty for most free video creation needs. However, if you're serious about generating more videos or higher quality content, consider upgrading to the paid plan. It's definitely worth the investment for the added features and others usage. Now, the second tool we're using to remove the watermark is CapCut. Yes, you heard it right. CapCut is perfect for this job. First, open CapCut on either your PC or mobile device. Then import your video footage. Drag the video to the timeline. Next, duplicate the clip. This step is crucial. After that, head to the Effects section, find the blur effect, and drag it onto the duplicated clip. Apply the blur a few times to make it deeper. Then, select the duplicated clip, go to the upper right corner, and click on the mask option. Choose Rectangle and resize it to cover the watermark. Drag it right over the watermark, then click Reverse. That's it. Your watermark is removed, and you can use your footage without any worries. If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're curious about how to use Flux AI Image Generator for free, go check out that video next. You won't regret it.